Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Jura J8 espresso machine. It comes to us with error 8, and when I test the machine I found it also it has like clogged spouts, and that error, when it comes, usually it is even the gears stuck or broken, or the motor moving the gears, or also it could be that's common too. It could be the brew unit is stuck because how much of coffee built in there. And I just put tune up on the machine and I disassemble it. I clean all the moving parts after I took the brew unit, soak it, took it apart, refurbish it, replace all the gaskets in there and lubricate it, put it back again after I clean the spouts and the whole machine. Then I give it cleaning cycle and descaling. So let's go ahead and test it and have espresso shot on it. Actually asked me to change the setting of the grinder, so it's different setting when you do espresso than when you get coffee. That's perfect shot from the Jura if you look at it, with crema, 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the hot water. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.